Mom's cup of tea. Straight to gardening. Shaah markuu fax soo yiraahdo. Umba beerta ku booda.
What needs to be done before sun? The heat?
Yeah. Mom's going in for surgery.
Coming from this side.
Made its way all the way.
Look, where is it coming from?
It has all these little fingers, which I think is so funny. Let me show them the fingers. These. And it grabs onto anything in its way, so we need to guide it to go in the right direction.
Come in here.
You're literally making your shade right now.
Huh?
It doesn't just grow. A little bit of garden maintenance today. Everything's looking lush. We're so happy since we've been back. Like over here, this is a whole orange tree. Unfortunately, it's taken up. We want to knock this wall down so bad, but we'll discuss that another day. Maybe in another couple of rainfalls, that section will fill up, inshallah. The front of the car really needs. We got a passion fruit on the way. It's over here. It's gonna be a while. Actually, it's doing good. Yeah, I'm looking at the orange now.
I'm in the baby orange.
There's a baby orange? There's no way.
Right there.
I didn't know. That's so amazing. MashaAllah. Could be lemon. Yeah, it's a citrus, horta. This thing got destroyed. Oh wow. Okay, so this is what the fingers look like after. Well, vines عادية did. Oh, it's so hard. You can't even fuchi. You have to break it.
That's why I have a knife to cut it.
Okay.
Okay. Free. What is this?
I can't play this game.
Yeah,
This is
it
too
went back. You see, it came and then it went back. So you have to guide them.
stressing me out from here. I didn't think I just like this. Isku marmara oo stress miro la kala fufuchinayo waliba miti ba u qaada asiraado.
This whole line of
Whoa.
to put it up there.
Halkan maad gaarsiisid.
Xaga ma gaarayo markuu da'diisa gaarsiiyo xagaasa xaga la geeyo. You support waa inaad siisaa. You can't just do like this.
Huge maintenance. This hedge is out of control. Needs to get shaped right down. And Mom just put some beans in here, so it's about to get even crazier. But the real job today is to sort out our coconuts from Mogadishu. There they are. They're surviving. They're surviving and thriving. So we watched a few YouTube episodes and we'll figure out what to do with them today, inshallah.
Maintenance.
Maintenance. Cute. They look good already. For the newcomers, if you're asking why there's an egg. What is it, Mom? The egg for?
Calcium. Yes, the blood needs a vitamin too.
The next victim. He needs a haircut. He didn't survive the weeks we were gone from the house.
It's gonna come back. Bismillah. First one.
Look how much eggshells are in here. All right, operation begins. Wow, look at these roots. As if we're planting a coconut right now. So baxday.
Bismillah, number 2 is going in. Wow.
Literally a seed. Coconut is a seed. There's his little roots. And here's its new home. That's why they were all making noise. Baby, go that ultimate. It is. Tisha lunten. Watan. Missing and now for حاجة كده.
ولا لا صوش صوش.
Why hey. What goes outside that? Just got a little bit more to go there. Foot there.
On this part. Just showing you square because that picture.
Okay, we're doing unboxing today. I have an amazing friend in Toronto who sent us these.
Oh, I already see what I like. I like that one.
Oh, wow.
I so like this one.
More pink to the collection.
This is annual.
Yeah, I love those.
Jane Reed.
Lavender Vera.
Lavender?
Lavender Vera.
Lavender.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's a lavender. It smells lavender also.
Nice. This will be a surprise because we can't see.
Marigold, so
Oh, yeah.
wait for the marigold.
These might be the big ones. Bush Nature. We need to Google some of these. Jewel mix. That sounds pleasant.
Jewel mix.
Amazing.
What mix? We mix everything.
صح.
Jane Tala.
Sunflowers.
Awesome,
Yes. Sunflower kiwi.
Sunflower? Then should we put sunflower down here?
That would be perfect.
Okay.
It'll be like a window when it pops up here.
They will grow all 12 feet.
Wow. Amazing. What's that?
Allah. What kind of flowers? They're bonbon.
No, it's
ingredient. Syrup.
bonus. Oh my god, he sent maple syrup. That's amazing. Thank you. Banana. Maple syrup candy, yeah.
Wow. I
So
will grow it. If you didn't tell me, I would have put it into the ground.
amazing. Thank you so much. We'll show you. Now that we got water, we're like ready to. There's more?
Ooh.
Oh, that's
Brazilian butters.
amazing.
Amazing flower. An amazing flower.
This is so cool.
And even amaziest, the amaziest.
Oh,
of the
wow. Amaziest of the amaziest. Look at that, look at that, look at that. That's so dope. Is it like falling, Mom? Like, does it do like a waterfall?
We don't
Or
know.
we don't know. We're gonna
Find out.
inshallah.
This one.
We're gonna do sunflower and this one for now. Yay!
For now.
Our taste test in this, yes. Okay, all right. Go for it.
Flavorful.
Mom struggles with being a food vlogger because you can't talk with your mouth open. Akhlaq waluguri. Amazing. Thank you. Mama's so happy. It's rainy season, so we're gonna put these in the ground now. You adding some more pink to the pink garden collection.
It's the flower area.
The pink flower area. Join your siblings. Heads up, these are super drought resistant. If you see them anywhere, snatch it, plant it, take care of it. And this guy is also goat resistant. No goats will eat your pink flowers. That's why we're obsessed. This one we're gonna take care of. Ang kasang grida?
Right? Well, the bowl.
Oh, this is perfect. This bowl.
Come on, sunflower. It's gonna grow tall.
Sunflower maxay Soomaali ku yiraahdaa?
Gabaldaya.
Gabaldaya.
Ujeestaa moogta kolna xaggan u jeestaa kolna cadceed u raacdaa.
There you go. Sunflower is called gabaldaya. Gabaldaya literally translates into looks for the sun. Faces the sun.
Let it grow, then you can transform. This is like the nursery,
Okay.
and then you can move it after it grows.
Haye shimbirtaydan eegaya beedkii aan meesha u dhigay. Ma garanayo. Wax jiq lahaa baan maqlayo. That's a little egg. I put some eggs, some bird eggs in here. And I don't know if the bird came to take them or not. Let's see. I don't know what to do. The mom can't find them because I put them like, I don't know if I'm supposed to cover it. Maybe I should Google it. But I'm about to go take them to my neighbor's chicken and say, hatch these.